Welcome to Outgrow. In this video, we'll break down how a global brand like Hum Nutrition uses interactive quizzes on its website to personalize shopping experiences and how you can create a similar high-converting quiz in minutes using Outgrow. Hum Nutrition is a great example of this strategy in action. On their website, they feature seasonal quizzes like Reset Your Spring Routine, a simple yet powerful tool that asks visitors questions such as, what is your usual food style? How do you prefer your food portions? How colorful is your typical diet? And many more. Based on the responses, Hum Nutrition instantly surfaces personalized product recommendations, increasing purchase confidence and driving conversions. The good news, you can replicate this exact experience using Outgrow without Hum Nutrition's budget. Let's walk through it step by step. Log into your Outgrow account and open the quiz builder. You'll be presented with three options: build from scratch, full creative control, and a custom experience. Use a pre-built template, the fastest way to launch. AI-generated quiz. Smart, automated setup with minimal effort. For this walkthrough, we'll use a pre-built template to get up and running quickly. First impressions matter. Give your quiz a compelling, curiosity-driven title, something like, "Is your diet missing something?" Upload a vibrant, on-brand background image. This sets the visual tone and draws your audience in the moment they land on the page. Now, for the most important part, tailoring your questions to reflect your brand's voice and your audience's lifestyle. Here are some examples to get you started. Which nutrients are you most concerned about? How would you describe your average daily diet? How often do you eat fruits and vegetables? Do you currently use any supplements? And many more. Keep the language light, relatable, and conversational. The goal is to feel like a friendly dialogue, not a formal survey. For each possible outcome, you can customize the results screen with a result heading and subheading tailored to that outcome. A relevant image, video, chart, or data table to reinforce the recommendation. A clear call to action, CTA button, such as shop now, learn more, or get your plan. This is where engagement converts into action, so make sure each result feels personalized and valuable. Before going live, click the eye icon to preview your quiz end-to-end. Walk through every question, verify each result, and confirm that the overall experience feels seamless and polished. Once you're satisfied with the experience, hit Go Live. Outgrow gives you flexible sharing options. Standalone URL, share it instantly via email, social media, or paid campaigns. Website embed, integrate it directly into your site using iframe embed, full page embed, chat style embed. In just a few steps, you've built an interactive, personalized quiz experience, the same kind that brands like Hum Nutrition use to engage their audience and drive meaningful revenue. Ready to get started? Start building smarter, more engaging experiences today with Outgrow. Sign up to try it now.